Good morning, students. Let us have superficial expansion of solids. Superficial expansion means expansion in terms of length and breadth. That is, whenever a solid is heated and if there is an expansion in terms of area, that is, when length and breadth both are increased, then it is called superficial expansion. And like linear expansion, superficial expansion also depends on three factors. First is original area. Original area can be taken as AO and superficial expansion can be written as AT minus AO, means increase in the area. So original area of the plate, then second increase in temperature, and third is the material of the plate. This increase in temperature can be T. Now, when we express it mathematically, we can say that increase in area, which is superficial expansion, is directly proportional to the original area. Increase in area of superficial expansion is directly proportional to increase in temperature T. Now we can also write on combining these two as original area into temperature. Now to remove this proportionality sign and to change it into equality, we have to give a constant term. And you know, the constant term here will be beta. This is called beta, and then we have original area into temperature. Now beta is the coefficient of superficial expansion. Coefficient of superficial expansion. Which also means that the expansion which takes place in a plate or in a metal sheet when it is heated through 1 degree Celsius. Of course, this expansion will be very low or very small, and we may not notice it also because of the little expansion, but there will be a very little expansion in terms of area, which is only called coefficient of superficial expansion. And next class we will see about the cubical expansion of solid. Thank you. I am sorry, let us see cubical expansion. Today only cubical expansion means increase in volume. That is, when there is increase or expansion is length, breadth and height, that is thickness, we call it cubical expansion. Cubical expansion can be given as Vt minus original volume. This is the volume or final volume when heated through temperature T, and this is the original volume. When you subtract it, you will get the increase in volume. Now, like other expansion, it also depends on original volume, which we call VO. It depends on increase in temperature, that is T, and it also depends upon material of solid. So we can write Vt minus Vo, that increase in volume is directly proportional to original volume. It is directly proportional to increase in temperature. We can combine the two and write as VOT. Again we are going to remove this proportionality sign, and to convert into equality we are going to put one constant, and here the constant is gamma. Let us see. So we have Vt minus Vo equal to gamma VOT. This gamma is coefficient of cubical expansion, which is once again a very small expansion. When a solid is heated through 1 degree Celsius, that small expansion is called coefficient of cubical expansion, which we denote it by this symbol, which is called gamma. So this we have regarding the expansion. We have seen the expansion in terms of length, in terms of area, and this is in terms of volume. Thank you. Let us see about linear expansion. In the last class we discussed about the factors on which the linear expansion, which is also called increase in length of a rod, depends. So it was original length, and increase in temperature. Increase in length is called final length minus original length. LT means the final length when a rod is heated to a temperature T. Original length is LO, and increase in temperature will be T. We have one more factor, which is material of the rod, but we are not using this. We are going to derive a mathematical expression for increase in length using these two factors. So we can write increase in length, that is LT minus LO, is directly proportional to the original length. Directly proportional to original length means when we increase the original length, or when original length is more, it will also show more linear expansion. Similarly, we can also write increase in length is directly proportional to increase in temperature. It means on increasing the temperature, the linear expansion will also increase. Now combining these two, we can write is directly proportional to both original length and increase in temperature. Now to remove this proportionality sign and to change the expression into equality, we have to take one constant term, and the constant here will be alpha. So we can write LT minus LO is equal to alpha. Look like proportionality sign only, but it is alpha, which means it is coefficient of linear expansion. And then we have LO into T. So if you can know the coefficient of linear expansion of a rod, of a material, its original length, and the increase in temperature, we can calculate the increase in the length of the rod. Means how much the length of the rod will increase, we can easily calculate using these three values. So this becomes a formula to find out the increase in the length of a rod. Now this alpha is called coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of linear expansion. Which also means the least expansion when a metal rod is heated to 1 degree Celsius. So its SI unit will be per degree Celsius. its SI unit is per degree Celsius. So this much we have about this expansion. We can see how increase in length depends on original length and the increase in temperature. We have derived a mathematical expression for this. Now this coefficient of linear expansion will depend upon the material of the rod. Different material has got different linear expansion. For example, aluminium has got the coefficient of linear expansion equal to 24 into 10 to the power minus 6 per degree Celsius. So different rods or different materials will show different coefficient of linear expansion. This is the reason why even these materials of equal length are heated equally, but because the material is different, because the coefficient of linear expansion is different, they will show unequal expansion. So next class we will see coefficient of superficial expansion. Thank you.